Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. And all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application. You're going to tap on your profile. In the case that you do have the craft, you're going to see it here. You can see I do have one that is here. And if I wanted to delete this one, all I have to do is to tap on it, and then I'm going to tap on select. Going to click on it, and then I'm going to see the option to delete it. Now, once you have deleted it and you would like to recover it, you can just head on over to your gallery, and then you're going to head on over here to albums, as you can see on here. And then you're going to scroll down till you see video and tap on it. And you're going to try seeing if you're going to be able to locate that draft that was in your TikTok. In the case that you cannot see it, you can just go back to the TikTok, and then you're going to tap on the three lines that is here, and then you're going to tap on settings and privacy, and then you're going to tap on account, and then you're going to download your data. Then from there, you're just going to request the data, and it's going to take you to the download data. From there, we are going to wait until our graph has been processed, and then you're going to be able to start it, and then we're going to see all the drafts that we had deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.